Welcome to Excel and Power Query for Data Analyst. Now, in this quick tutorial, I will show how to load your data and transform by your Power Query. And I am click the blank workbook. After that, I go to data, get data file from folder. As our data is located to our folder, so I am going to open all of my data, waiting for the new window. And here my data is dataset. Just click open and it show a pop-up. And here is my I can use combine and load transform data. I click transform data. It will show exact same thing as our Power Query window. So transform the data first. Here is our Power Query window. Now our all dataset are here. If just click this binary, you will see all of the necessary steps applied by Power Query automatically. So if we go the source file, we can see all of the 7 data sources. So how to import all of them in my queries. Now go to this duplicates. Here is our same data as this one. So go to source and click the binary and continue steps. It will show the exact same steps as the earlier one. See, you can use alternative approach also. Just delete this one, go to the datasets, source, and then click here. The second one, as my first one is, I rename this one establishment survey, and go to source file, left button here, just right button and add as new query. It will show a pop-up here and a source and navigate. So here I just rename this one establishment as and enter. Then double click this, it will open our main data. And go to source, then click the third one as our these two are load successfully and create the same one as add as new query. Then rename this one manufacturing data. Enter, double click, it will appear our data. Then go to sources as our 3 data source. Queries load successfully. Go to the time and add as new query. Rename and double click. Go to the source file, the same approach. If you do it by yourself, you can skip this. I'm doing the exact same as our data is loaded. And then time series data 1980. Add new queries, rename, enter, and double click. The last test is the same process I am going to perform. Here, all of our data is loaded successfully. Now, time to fix that data first. See, here is our column 1, column 2, column 3, and so on. So, this is not a readable way. So what is the hack here? So the second row has the column name like ID, geographic area name, 2012 NAICS code. So this first row must be deleted. How to delete this? You cannot delete any rows inside the table. So what is the hack? So home button, reduce rows, remove rows. So remove rows, top rows by one. We remove only the geo ID name, NAICS, etc. So just click it. Then our column name not clean enough. So just use the transform as use first row as header. You can use header as first row. So use first row as header. See what happened. Yes. Now our column is readable. So far from the every step where the query needs. So I keep doing the same thing as I used earlier. Yes, my data is. Mm, don't always do this because some data already selected. So those where need use only there. This perfect, and also this one is perfect as our data is. Yes, that's all it. And then you can just close and load. See, our new Excel workbook is appear our all of the data. And here our all queries and connections. You see our establishment survey, establishment is manufacturing data, time sheet is 1979, 80, 81. All our data is here. See, this is not our actual data. So all our data is here and is the power of Power Query. And here another thing, if you refresh or add some data in your folder where the data is located, see, I'm going to Power Query again and see where is our file sources. If you this data, I am just going to my window and open the data. See, if here add any new sources or add any further rows, the bottom of the data table, you can refresh this way. After refresh, all of your previous data or new data will be appear here. This is the power of Power Query. You can refresh, all of new data will appear in the next, the bottom of the table. So this is my short tutorial, and I will make some video on the deep dive about Excel and Power Query, also the Power